눈 아파요. 눈 아파요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is apayo. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word nun. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 156. Nun. Nun. This is pronounced as a one-syllable word. Pronounce it with me. Nun. Nun. The Korean word nun is simply the Korean noun for an eye, which is the part of our body. Again, nun is the Korean noun for eye. How do we write nun in Hangul? Since it is composed of only one syllable, we also just have to write one syllable. To be able to write it, we need to draw first a NUN character, followed by an U character, followed by another NUN character. Again, NUN plus U plus NUN. And that is how you write nun in Hangul. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word nun, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, my eyes hurt. Again, my eyes hurt. The Korean translation of this sentence is 눈 아파요. Again, it's 눈 아파요. The first part of the sentence is nun, and since this is our word for today, we already know by now that the meaning of the word nun is eye, or the part of our body. The second part of the sentence is apayo, which means it hurts. This is used as an adjective used to describe the eyes. So, if the meaning of these two words would be combined, it would result to a sentence that means, my eyes hurt. Looking back to this example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence, 눈 아파요, is simply, my eyes hurt. And with that, you've just learned nun. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 146 to 145. Don't forget our word for today, word number 146, nun, which is the Korean noun for eye. The first word for our review is word number 155, 안 좋아요, which means I don't like it or it's not good. Word number 154 is 좋아요, which means I like it or it's good. Word number 153 is 몰라요, and this is used to say I don't know. Word number 152 is 알아요, and this is used to say I know. Word number 151 is amado, and this is used to say maybe. Word number 150 is 잘 가요, and this is the Korean noun for goodbye, or this is also used to say go well. Word number 149 is 한번, which means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajuma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman. And the last for our review is word number 146, ajusi, and this is the Korean noun for an old man. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.